Hi there, welcome back. Sometimes for a complex worksheet, it's chaotic to search which cells are affected by a selected cell value. For example, let's highlight this cell and let's suppose that you want to find related cells that depend on the D6 cell. There's a keystroke shortcut Control plus Shift plus right bracket. As you can see, it selects all dependent cells and highlight all cells that have formulas that refer back to our cell. If you want to remember this related cell, you can fill them with color from the Home tab and Fill Color button. Another way to find which cells are affected by our selected cells value is from the Formula tab and Trace Dependence feature. Let's press this button, and as you can see, it shows arrows with the related cells. Notice that not all associated cells have been found, but only the directly related cells. If you press it again, it will continue to add arrows because they refer to other cells. Maybe some of these dependencies have the reference to another worksheet. Finally, if you want to find which cell is getting the data from, you can use Trace Precedence feature from the Formula tab. Control plus Shift plus left bracket. Let's try it for this cell. Click first once and then keep clicking Trace Precedence. Look at all these arrows that indicate which cell affect the value of the cell we just highlighted. I use these techniques in complex worksheets and they save me a ton of time. I hope they will help you out in the same way. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.